In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a bill in Xero. This quick technique is perfect when you regularly receive similar invoices from the same supplier and want to avoid retyping the details each time. By copying an existing bill, you keep the structure, supplier, and line items intact, then simply adjust what's changed. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you can do it confidently and accurately. First, log into Xero and make sure you're in the correct organization if you have access to more than one. Once your dashboard loads, head to the main menu and click Purchases. From there, select Bills to open your list of bills. You'll see tabs like Awaiting Approval, Awaiting Payment, and Paid. Use whichever view helps you find the bill you want to copy. Open the bill you want to copy. If you have a long list, use the search or filters to narrow it down by supplier name, reference, or date. When the bill opens, you'll see all its details: supplier, dates, reference, line items, account codes, and tax. Next, look for Bill Options. It's typically located near the top of the bill screen. Click Bill Options, then select Copy. Xero will create a new draft bill using the original as a template. This draft usually carries over the supplier, descriptions, quantities, unit prices, account codes, and tax settings, which saves a lot of time. Now, review the copied bill details carefully. Confirm the supplier is correct, and check the bill date and due date so they reflect the new period. Make sure the reference or invoice number is unique to avoid duplicates in your records. Scan each line item for accuracy: quantities, unit prices, descriptions, and tax rates, especially if prices or tax settings have changed since the original bill. If you use tracking categories or specific account codes, verify they're still appropriate for this transaction. Edit the bill information if needed. Update any fields that should differ from the original, such as the description of work, the period covered, or any discounts. This is a great moment to add internal notes or clarifications that will help your team understand the context. Take a final look to ensure totals match your source document. When you're happy with everything, click Save to keep it as a draft if you or a colleague needs to review it later. If you're ready to post it to Accounts Payable and have the necessary permissions, click Approve. Approving the bill will include it in your payables and relevant reports immediately. That's it. Copying a bill in Xero is a simple, reliable way to work faster while staying accurate.